how the dongle for Africa Twin works. Okay, you just push the start button for a while and it immediately turn off the rear ABS and the traction control. You can do it in all modes. You can do it also in gravel or off-road, use arena, or just in all modes. And if you just push the button again, it starts the ABS and traction control and also wheelie control. That is not displayed anywhere, but it works. It just turn it on again. If you push the up button for I think 5 seconds, it turn on the memory of the off-road dongle. So now the memory is on. So when you, for example, turn this things off, turn the bike off, and turn the bike on again, the ABS, traction control, and also wheel control stays off. The dongle also kills the safety message at start. It just press the enter few seconds after start. Okay, and memory can be turned off by holding the down arrow for 5 seconds. So now when you turn off the bike and turn it on again, everything is in default state. So there is no off ABS and no off traction control. This disappear after you start riding. Okay, it's all. It's perfect for off-road use when you don't want to play with the all electronics at every start of the bike. So it makes the riding more simple and more fun. Installation is also very simple. Just disconnect the two connectors and connect the dongle between two connectors. Just plug and play.